Today I'm going to show you how to use the Jenesis Classic's EZLynx integration. In the Jenesis Classic EZLynx integration, you begin in EZLynx. Get your quote, hit export. Make sure that when you're exporting, your export format is always Acord XML. Then hit export. This will export it to your file. Once you've exported it from the file, then you're going to add quote. You're going to go to the quote menu and EZLynx. Here's my test quote that I did. I'm going to double click it. It's going to ask me, do I have rates for this quote? And I do. So now that I have my information imported in, I can view my stored rates, and here are the rates that my EZLynx quoted. I'll choose my best one and import that stored rate. You're going to keep all the rest of the rates here. That's how you use your EZLynx integration with Jenesis Classic. Hope that was helpful.